Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learn English Fast podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. How's everyone doing today?
I hope you're feeling awake because today we're going to a very special place.
A coffee shop, the best place to practice English and drink delicious coffee.
Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just love coffee, this episode will help you order like a native speaker.
And trust me, knowing how to order coffee in English is a life skill.
It really is. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this episode.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite coffee drink?
All right, Mike, let's go to the coffee shop. I just walked in. What happens first?
Okay, you walk through the door. You'll probably see a line of people waiting to order.
So I wait in line. When it's my turn, the barista, that's the person who makes coffee, will greet me.
They might say, "Good morning, what can I get for you today?" Or, "Hi, what would you like?"
And I can start with, "Hi, I'd like a coffee, please." Simple and polite.
Perfect. But here's where it gets interesting. There are so many types of coffee.
Right, let's talk about the most popular ones.
First, we have espresso. That's a small, strong shot of coffee.
Very strong. I love it. Then there's Americano, espresso with hot water added.
Cappuccino is espresso with steamed milk and foam on top.
And latte is similar, but with more milk and less foam.
Don't forget flat white. It's like a latte but with less milk and a stronger coffee taste.
For something cold, you can order an iced coffee or iced latte.
And if you want something sweet, try a mocha. That's coffee with chocolate.
My favorite. Or a caramel macchiato, coffee with caramel syrup.
So many choices. Now let's talk about sizes.
Coffee shops usually have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large.
Some places like Starbucks use Italian names: Tall, Grande, and Venti.
Don't worry if that's confusing. You can just say, "I'd like a small latte, please."
Exactly. Now, the barista might ask, "Would you like any milk in that?"
And you can choose whole milk, skim milk, almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk.
For example, "Can I have almond milk, please?"
They might also ask, "Would you like sugar or any sweetener?"
You can say, "Yes, please, 2 sugars," or "No sugar, thanks."
And if you want extra flavor, you can add syrup. Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut.
Just say, "Can I add a shot of vanilla syrup?"
Perfect. Now you have a customized coffee.
Most coffee shops also sell pastries and snacks.
Right, like croissants, muffins, cookies, brownies, or sandwiches.
If you want something to eat, you can say, "Can I also have a blueberry muffin?"
Or, "I'd like a chocolate croissant, please."
The barista might ask, "Would you like that heated up?"
And you say, "Yes, please," or "No, that's okay."
Simple. Now let's talk about paying.
After you order, the barista will tell you the total. That'll be $6.50, please.
You can pay with cash or card. Just say, "Here you are." Or, "Can I pay by card?"
They'll give you a receipt and might say, "Your order will be ready at the end of the counter."
Then you wait. When your drink is ready, they'll call out, "Latte for Jessica."
You pick it up and say, "Thank you."
And they might say, "Enjoy," or "Have a great day."
What if I want my coffee extra hot?
You can say, "Can you make it extra hot, please?"
And if I want less ice in my iced coffee?
"Light ice, please," or "Easy on the ice."
What if they made a mistake with my order?
Just politely say, "Excuse me, I ordered a cappuccino, but this is a latte."
And they'll fix it. "Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me remake that for you."
Always be polite. Baristas work hard.
Absolutely. What if I want to order for a friend?
You can say, "Can I also get a black coffee for my friend?"
Easy. And if I want to stay in the coffee shop?
They might ask, "For here or to go?"
For here, please, means you'll drink it there. To go, please, means you'll take it with you.
In British English, they say "take away" instead of "to go."
Yeah, let's review the key words we learned today.
Barista, the person who makes coffee. Espresso, small, strong coffee. Latte, coffee with lots of milk. Cappuccino, coffee with steamed milk and foam. Iced coffee, cold coffee, milk options. Whole, skim, almond, oat, coconut, syrup, sweet flavoring. Vanilla, caramel, croissant, a French pastry, for here, drink at the shop. To go, take away. Take your drink with you.
Great list, Mike.
So, Jessica, do you feel ready to order coffee in English?
Definitely. And I'm craving a caramel latte right now.
Me too. Remember, everyone, don't be afraid to ask questions if you don't understand something.
Baristas are usually very friendly and happy to help.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
All right, that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast.
And leave a comment. What's your favorite coffee order? A latte, cappuccino, black coffee?
We can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep practicing and enjoy your coffee.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.